Oh, would you look at the time? It's time to open some mail.
Fight back.
So running a video business, I get a lot of mail. It's like Christmas every day, and I thought I'd share my Christmas with you. And today we've got 1 and 2 very exciting deliveries. Should we see what's inside? Let's open the big box first, because let's be honest, it's the most important. It always is, the big box. It's the most exciting one. Let's see what's inside here. I mean, I already know, but you guys don't know yet. And as you can see, it is a beautiful 360 touch screen Google Chromebook. I've gone for the black Acer Chromebook because black is a very important color as part of my aesthetic, and just so happens to be the branding of my video business as well. What's interesting about Chromebooks is they've been around for a little while now and people don't really talk about them. They operate completely online using cloud storage, which means all your files are stored online, leaving all that operating space to run really quick operating software. Not only is this going to be amazing when I'm out and about meeting people, but it's going to be great for just general home use. I'm personally a huge fan of Chrome. I use it for all my internet needs. I have it connected up to my computer, my phone, my calendar, and now I'll have it on here too, and it's just going to be absolutely amazing. Just to show how much of a Google fan I am, I have 2 Chromecasts in the house, and I also have a Google Pixel phone. The phone itself is amazing and the camera is insane. People constantly ask me, what phone have you got? What took that photo? Because it looks ridiculous. And they don't realize that Google make a phone, let alone that it has an insane camera on it. And not to talk about how fast and flashy and large it is. I mean, look at the size of it. Look at the size of it. And then we have the Chromecasts, which are incredible. Anybody in the house can connect their phone, tablet, laptops to them to share their screen, to show photos, to watch Netflix or Amazon Prime or whatever it may be. It's amazing. It's so wonderful. We're living in the modern age. Of course, I'll be taking this laptop everywhere I go, so I want to keep it nice and snug and safe, and that brings us on to our second parcel. This is a nice snug case I bought off Amazon, and it's going to keep my laptop nice and safe in my camera bag, in my normal bag, while I'm out and about, taking it to many coffee shops and client meetings and general meetings with people on set, all that good stuff. So what do you think? Do you think I've made the right choice with the laptop and the nice snug case, or do you think I've got it all wrong? That's completely fine. Express your opinions below in the comments. Let me know if I've been an idiot. If you are interested in this laptop, I will also link that down below, and I'll link the case down below in case you're looking for a new case for your laptop as well. Thank you so much for watching as always. I appreciate it, and I will see you later.